Imagine carving ribbons of asphalt through the Alps, the wind howling as your bike surges forward, every twist of the throttle met with a pulse of pure exhilaration. That's the promise of BMW's 2024 R1300 GS, so let's see if it delivers. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cyclosphere, your go-to channel for in-depth, no-nonsense bike reviews. Today, we've got BMW's brand new R1300 GS, the adventure touring icon reimagined. In the next few minutes, we'll break it down from nose to tail, covering design, tech, performance, comfort, and even how it stacks up against the competition. By the end, you'll know whether this GS deserves a spot in your garage. Let's ride! The R1300 GS wears sharper lines than its predecessor, with a more compact boxer engine tucked neatly between a steel mainframe and cast aluminum subframe. Thanks to a reconfigured engine and revised chassis, BMW has shaved off about 20 pounds compared to the 1250 model. 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels shod in Metzeler Tourance next two tires give that classic GS look, agile in the twisties and confidence-inspiring at highway speeds. You can spec cross-spoke wheels for that retro adventure aesthetic or stick with cast rims for lower maintenance. Cockpit features a crisp 6.5-inch TFT display with intuitive menus and smartphone mirroring. BMW's multi-controller will make it easy to navigate ride modes, ABS settings, and audio without taking your eyes off the road. The LED headlight with adjustable beam angle ensures no more squinting through the night. At its heart is a 1,300 cubic centimeters air/liquid-cooled boxer twin kicking out 128 horsepower at 7,750 RPM and 96 pound-feet of torque at 6,410 RPM. ShiftCam technology delivers seamless cam profile shifts, giving silky low RPM smoothness and a punchy top-end kick. The 6-speed gearbox with quickshifter and hydraulic clutch offers snappy up and down shifts, though the clutch can feel grabby on aggressive launches. On the road, the GS feels planted at speed yet nimble at parking lot pace thanks to Evo Telelever front suspension and Paralever rear. Twist the grip and you'll feel that boxer pulse, like it's alive, ready to tackle mountain passes or motorway miles. The rider triangle, upright seating, wide handlebars, and well-placed foot pegs is perfect for long days in the saddle. Multiple seat heights range from 31.1 to 33.4 inches, and heated seats are available. Adaptive height control lowers the bike at a stop and raises it underway, ideal for shorter riders who want full suspension travel on the move. The electronically adjustable windscreen blocks buffeting across a wide range. Safety comes courtesy of ride modes including Rain, Road, Eco, Enduro, and optional Dynamic/Dynamic Pro. ABS Pro with cornering function, linked braking, and an available sport brake upgrade keep you in control. The optional radar cruise and collision warning, part of the premium package, maintains safe following distance and alert you to potential hazards. BMW's DTC traction control with slide control on select models adds confidence in corners. Maintenance is low stress, shaft drive is clean and durable, oil changes are every 6,000 miles, valve adjustments at 12,000, and 3-year warranty with worldwide roadside assistance. MSRP starts at $19,995, with our tested setup at $25,575 including premium package, heated grips, and cross-spoke wheels. GS models hold value exceptionally well, over 50,000 units sold globally. Accessory options range from engine guards and skid plate to aluminum panniers. Comfort Pack adds heated seats and ride-by-wire tuning. Performance Pack upgrades to cross spokes, sport brake, and dynamic ESA. Rally paint schemes and billet parts let you personalize your ride. In terms of competition, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure boasts raw power. The Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro delivers smooth performance at a value price, and the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports excels off-road. But few bikes match the GS's blend of technology, reliability, and versatility. The 2024 BMW R1300 GS pairs a character-filled boxer twin with state-of-the-art electronics, razor-sharp chassis dynamics, and bulletproof reliability. It comes at a premium and options add up, but if your ideal ride spans highway cruising, twisty road fun, and the occasional gravel road, this GS delivers confidence and competence in equal measure. If you enjoyed this deep dive, Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride review. Drop your questions or dream bike pics in the comments. What should we test next? Until then, keep the rubber side down and we'll see you on the next one.